The question of whether Bitcoin will replace traditional money has sparked debates across financial, technological, and political sectors worldwide. As cryptocurrency continues to grow, understanding its potential role in the global economy is crucial. Bitcoin, the first decentralized digital currency, was designed to serve as a peer-to-peer payment system, removing intermediaries like banks. Its rise marked the beginning of a new era in financial technology, the cryptocurrency revolution. To understand the future of cryptocurrency, we must look at what money truly represents. Money is a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. For Bitcoin to replace money, it must effectively fulfill these three roles. Today, Bitcoin is widely recognized as a digital asset and a potential inflation hedge, but its volatility challenges its role as a stable store of value. While fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro are backed by governments, Bitcoin is powered by blockchain technology, a decentralized and transparent ledger maintained by a network of miners and nodes. The decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem has expanded the potential of cryptocurrencies beyond simple transactions. With DeFi, users can lend, borrow, and earn interest on crypto assets without traditional banks. This innovation has reshaped how people view money and financial systems. As more people join the DeFi space, the idea of a fully digital economy seems increasingly realistic. Bitcoin's value is derived from its scarcity. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. This limited supply makes it a deflationary currency, unlike fiat money, which central banks can print at will. During periods of inflation or economic uncertainty, investors often turn to Bitcoin as a store of value, viewing it as digital gold. This behavior supports Bitcoin's role as a hedge against inflation, further fueling discussions about its ability to replace traditional money. However, Bitcoin faces several challenges that hinder its mainstream adoption. The crypto regulation landscape remains inconsistent across countries. While nations like El Salvador have adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, others have imposed strict restrictions or outright bans. These differing approaches create uncertainty for businesses and investors, slowing down global cryptocurrency adoption. Another major challenge is scalability. The Bitcoin network can process only about 7 transactions per second, compared to thousands of transactions processed by payment systems like Visa. This limitation has led to the development of Layer 2 solutions, such as the Lightning Network, which enables faster and cheaper transactions. Technological advancements like these are critical for the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to serve as viable digital payment solutions. When comparing Bitcoin versus fiat currency, the differences are clear. Fiat currencies are centralized, controlled by governments and monetary authorities. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is decentralized and cannot be manipulated by a single entity. This feature makes it attractive to people living in countries with unstable economies or high inflation rates. In such environments, Bitcoin represents financial freedom and independence from traditional banking systems. Still, volatility remains one of Bitcoin's biggest obstacles. Sharp fluctuations in the Bitcoin price prediction make it difficult to use as a day-to-day currency. Businesses prefer stability in their accounting and pricing, and consumers want predictable value. This has led to the rise of stablecoins, digital currencies like USDT, USDC, and BUSD, which are pegged to fiat currencies to maintain price stability. Stablecoins bridge the gap between volatile cryptocurrencies and stable money, making them more practical for digital transactions. Despite volatility concerns, institutional interest in Bitcoin continues to grow. Large corporations, investment funds, and even governments are exploring ways to incorporate cryptocurrency investment into their financial systems. This shift signals growing trust and mainstream recognition of digital assets as part of the global financial ecosystem. As the global economy becomes more digital, blockchain technology offers several advantages over traditional systems. It ensures transparency, security, and immutability, reducing fraud and corruption risks. Many experts argue that blockchain could form the foundation for future monetary systems, even if Bitcoin itself doesn't become the world's primary currency. Another aspect influencing Bitcoin's future is the emergence of central bank digital currency (CBDC). Many countries are experimenting with their own digital currencies, such as China's digital yuan and the European Central Bank's digital euro. These CBDCs combine the convenience of digital payments with the regulatory control of traditional fiat currencies. However, unlike Bitcoin, they remain centralized, allowing governments to monitor and manage financial transactions. In contrast, Bitcoin's decentralized nature gives users full control over their funds without relying on intermediaries. This distinction highlights the ideological divide between state-controlled digital currencies and truly decentralized cryptocurrencies. The rise of CBDCs may push more people toward decentralized options, further strengthening Bitcoin's position as the symbol of financial independence. The question remains, will Bitcoin replace money entirely or coexist alongside it? Many experts believe that Bitcoin and traditional currencies can coexist, each serving unique roles. Bitcoin may act as a long-term store of value, while fiat money continues to facilitate everyday transactions. As technology evolves, hybrid systems combining both could emerge, bridging traditional finance with digital innovation. The crypto market trend suggests that the adoption of digital assets will continue to rise. Businesses are accepting Bitcoin payments, financial institutions are offering crypto services, and younger generations are more open to decentralized systems. Over time, as trust and usability improve, Bitcoin's volatility may stabilize, making it more practical as a global medium of exchange. From an economic perspective, the adoption of Bitcoin could reshape global trade and finance. It could reduce dependency on reserve currencies like the US dollar and empower developing nations by giving them access to borderless, transparent financial systems. In the long run, such shifts could create a more equitable financial ecosystem. However, widespread adoption also requires addressing environmental concerns associated with Bitcoin mining. Energy consumption remains a significant issue, though newer renewable energy initiatives and proof-of-stake alternatives offer promising solutions. Bitcoin's future also depends on education and awareness. Many potential users still don't fully understand how blockchain works or how to secure their digital assets. Cybersecurity risks, scams, and human error can undermine confidence. Therefore, building trust through education is essential to the cryptocurrency revolution. In the next decade, as technology advances and global financial systems evolve, Bitcoin will likely play a major role in shaping the money evolution. Whether it replaces traditional money or not, Bitcoin's impact on how we view and use money is undeniable. It has sparked conversations about sovereignty, transparency, and the true nature of value. At its core, Bitcoin represents a shift in human understanding of money, from something physical and centralized to something digital and decentralized. This transformation reflects humanity's ongoing journey toward greater innovation and autonomy. The future of cryptocurrency will depend not only on technological progress, but also on how society embraces these changes and redefines trust in financial systems. As we move into a digital-first economy, Bitcoin's potential to become the foundation of a new monetary system remains strong. Whether it replaces money or exists alongside it, one thing is certain: the cryptocurrency revolution has already begun, and it's reshaping the world of finance forever. If you found this breakdown of Bitcoin's future insightful, subscribe for more in-depth discussions on cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and digital finance. Keep learning, stay informed, and take control of your financial future in the digital era.